Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello. Spurs if big dish of pig. What's a big dish of pig? Always memorize this sentence. Spurs if Spurs if big dish of pig. Spurs if big dish of pig. Cancel the vowels. Cancel the vowels. In this case, accept pigs. Accept the pig. Accept the pig. Okay. Spots if fake dish of pig. Okay, in this case, which word is always U I E D O? Then this become S P D S F P G D S H P I G. Okay. Next, grouping of six. Grouping of six. Grouping of six. S P D S F P 2 4 6. Next, 6. Spots if pig dish of pig. U I E I or get cancelled except pig. Okay, this become S B D S F P Z S H F P I Z. First 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next, Z D S H F 2 4 I G. Okay. Next, mixing, no mixing, mixing. Mixing, no mixing. Mixing, no mixing. This again, mixing. Intrusion, no intrusion. Intrusion, no. Spots, spots if pig dish of pig. Always memorize this sentence. Spots if pig dish of pig. Spots if pig dish of pig. Mixing, no mixing, again mixing. Now, suppose we consider the example of cube. We know that in नोटबंदी मध्ये काय झालं? Suppose this one is ATM machine. This one is ATM machine. Okay, this is a ATM machine. And this one is a cube. This is the number of particles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Yes or no? 6 and so on. Spots if pig dish of pig. Spots if pig dish of pig. Always get cancelled. Okay, always get cancelled. Then this become S P D S F P Z. Okay, S P D S F P Z D S H. O again get cancelled. F except pig. Except pig. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. Suppose in this case, two particle is going on. Because of some reason, this particle is away from this cube. Away from this cube. Then this particle, second particle is removed from this cube. Then effect getting on one or three particle. Effect कोणत्या particle वरती पडेल? First or third? Effect on first particle or third particle? Effect on first particle or third particle? हा सेकंड पार्टिकल गेलेला आहे, तर इफेक्ट कोणत्या पार्टिकल वरती होईल? पहिल्या की दुसऱ्या वरती होईल? तुमच्या पुढे एखादा पार्टिकल निघून गेलाय, तर तुमच्यावरती इफेक्ट होईल का? मागचा पार्टिकल निघून गेल्यानंतर तुमच्यावरती इफेक्ट होईल. क्यू मध्ये आहात, तुम्हाला काहीतरी पैसे काढायचे ते एटीएम मधून. ओके, इफेक्ट फर्स्ट वरती होईल की थर्ड वरती होईल? इफेक्ट ऑन फर्स्ट पार्टिकल, थर्ड पार्टिकल? Third particle, yes or no? Why? Effect on third particle. Third particle वरती काही इफेक्ट होईल, yes or no? फर्स्ट वरती काही इफेक्ट होणार नाही. सेम हियर ऑल्सो. Here U is missing. U missing. Effect on P cell or D cell? Effect on P cell or D cell? See here. Spots. Sorry. Spots if a pig dish of pig. Spots if pig dish of pigs. Always get cancelled. Then this become SPDSFP. Next grouping of 6. Next GDSHFP. And this become IG. Okay, IG. Next. U is missing. Now here U is missing. Effect on P, effect on D. Effect on P, effect on D. Now here U is missing. U is removed from this words. Then effect on P cell, D cell. Effect P वरती होईल, D वरती होईल. Same, take the example of effect on P cell, D cell. Yes, effect on P cell, D cell. इफेक्ट कोणत्या सेल वरती होईल? पी सेल वरती होईल की डी सेल वरती होईल? डी सेल वरती. ओके, सेम. नेक्स्ट, स्पॉट्स इफ peg dish of pig. Spots if peg dish of pig. U is removed. Then effect on D cell. Next, which word is removed? If means I is removed. I is between of D and F. I is in between of D and F. I is removed. Effect on S cell or F cell? I is removed. Effect on I cell, F cell. Sorry, S cell, F cell. F cell. Yes or no? Always memorize. Effect on D cell, effect on F cell. Next, IG. Again mixing. Always memorize the sentence. Spots if peg dish of pig. Spots if peg dish of pig. Always get cancelled. Next, grouping of 6. जो काही आपला ओवेस कॅन्सल होतोय त्याच्या पुढच्या सेलवरती इफेक्ट करायचा. ओके, येस सेल, मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. वी कॅन प्लेस मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ electron in AMS? Yes, maximum number of electron in AMS. Yes, cell मध्ये maximum किती electrons ठेवतो आपण? How many electron we can place in S cell? Two electron. P cell maximum. D cell maximum 10. F cell maximum. F cell. H cell. S cell. I. G. H. S 2. P 6. S 2. P 6. D 10. F 14. SPD. F G. Next again add 4. 14 plus 4 18. G S P D F G H 18 plus 4 22. Yes or no? S P D F G H I. S P S P D F G H I. Okay. A cell contain 2. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 4 22. 22 plus 4. Okay, means A cell contain 2 proton or 2 neutrons. B cell contain 2 proton or 2 neutron. AMS electron. Nuclear proton or neutron. Proton or neutron. Next D cell 10. F cell 14. G cell. Okay. See here. How to find out the J value? Suppose S cell. L is equal to 0. Then J is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2. 0 minus 1 by 2 means J is equal to simply 1 by 2. J is equal to simply 1 by 2. S cell. J value. S cell, J value. S cell, J value. S cell, J value. J value S 1 by 2. S 1 by 2. Maximum number of neutron or proton. Neutron or proton. Yes, maximum we can place in this case. S cell 2. S cell. Cell. Okay. J value. Yes, cell. Or L value, J value. Yes. Here we can take L value. Here we can take J values. L value, J value. L value, J value. Cell. Yes, cell. L is equal to 0. S cell, L is equal to 0. Then J is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Simply 1 by 2. Next, P cell. L is equal to 1. J is equal to L plus 1, L plus S, L minus S. Means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Next, D cell. D cell. Okay, D cell L is equal to 2 and J is equal to 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay. Next F cell. F cell. Okay. F cell L is equal to 3, then J is equal to 5 by 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 7 by 2. G F D F G G cell. G cell L is equal to 4. L is equal to 4, 7 by 2 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. 7 by 2 comma 9 by 2. Okay. Next G H S cell S cell 5 5 9 by 2 9 by 2 11 by 2. I cell L is equal to 6 11 by 2 11 by 2 13 by 2 13 by 2. Okay. Next. Got it? S cell J S cell J 1 by 2. P cell J 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. एक ने ऐड करत चला. SP D J value 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. F cell J is equal to, here is 5 by 2, take 5 by 2 as it is, add 1, become 7 by 2. S P D F G J is equal to 7 by 2 11 by 2 7 by 2 11 by 2. H J is equal to 11 by 2 13 by 2. I J is equal to 13 by 2 7 by 2 9 by 2 9 by 2 9 by 2 11 by 2 11 by 2 13 by 2 13 by 2. Okay, thanks. Always memorize this series. Okay. Sentence. Spuds, if, pig, dish of pig. Spuds, if, pig, dish of pig. SPD UIEIO get cancelled. SP DS FP. Next 6 group GD SH FP. Next IG. Mixing, no mixing. Mixing, no mixing means no punishment. म्हणजे पुढचा मागचा गेला तरी त्यावरती काही इफेक्ट होणार नाही. Here also mixing. Mixing मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला की जर पुढचा गेला एखादा तर आपल्यावरती काय होईल, इफेक्ट होईल. येस ऑर नो. नेक्स्ट डी विथ यस. तर पनिशमेंट काय द्यायची या केस मध्ये, तर जे काही सेल आहे त्या सेल मध्ये पुढच्या सेलची एक सेल काय करायची, ऍड करायची. ओके. यस मध्ये यस जे व्हॅल्यू 1s 1 by 2 किती ठेवू शकतो, मॅक्सिमम 2. ओके. नाउ SL is over. Next we can take the P cell. P J value yes maximum we can place 2 proton or 2 neutron. Next P cell. P cell maximum we can place the 6 50%. 1p 3 by 2 1p 3 by 2 3 divided by काय करा 2 करा आणि डोक्यावरती एक ऍड करा, means become 4. Okay. Next 3 by 2 means 4 proton or 4 electron we can place in this cell. What is the remaining? 1p, 1 by 2. In this case, which cell have more energy? P3 by 2 have more energy, P1 by 2 have more energy. Nuclear. Which cell have more energy? 3p by 2, P3 by 2, P1 by 2. Which one have more energy? P3 by 2, P1 by 2. Higher is the value, lower energy, higher energy. Nuclear. One by two have higher energy as compared to the sorry. 1 by 2 have higher energy as compared to the 3 by 2. Got it? Next D. 1D max 5 6. Yes sir. Total 10 10 50% 5 by 2 डोक्यावरती 6 द्यायचा की ऍड करायचा आणि पनिशमेंट काय करायची एस ला यामध्ये मिक्स करून घ्यायचं. हा किती नंबर द्यायचा आहे? 1s. और नहीं 2s सेकंड वाला है त्याला 2 नंबर द्या. 2s 1 by 2. And what is the remaining? D 5 by 2 is over. What is the remaining cell? Remaining is 1D 1D 3 by 2. Remaining परत लिहून टाकायची डोक्यावरती 4. ओके म्हणजे D also over, S also over. Next F 1 F 9 by 2. F 7 by 2 5 by 2. F 7 by 2 5 by 2. 1 F 7 by 2 डोक्यावरती 8. Punishment I is over P mix with the F cell. P ची lower energy F ची lower energy 7 by 2. P ची lower energy second P 3 by 2. What is the F cell remaining? F cell remaining is 1F 1F 5 by 2 6. And P cell remaining 2P 1 by 2. 2P 1 by 2 डोक्यावरती 2. And F cell remaining F also or 7 by 2 5 by 2 or P or means first 6 cell or next G cell G 9 by 2 G 9 by 2 10. No mixing. G 7 by 2 8. Next D 3D second D 3D second D second D yes D 5 by 2 6 2D 3 by 2 4 yes 3s 1 by 2 डोक्यावरती 2. Next H 1H 11 by 2 11 by 2 12. 1H remaining 9 by 2 10. H over. Next F second number F 2F 7 by 2 8. 2F 5 by 2 6. Okay. Next P 1 2 third number P means 3P 3P by 2 4. 3P 1 by 2 2. Means P also or next mixing no mixing. I number 1. I 13 by 2 14 mixing is G is mixed with I. G cell 9 by 2 have the lower energy 10. What is the remaining of I? I remaining is 11 by 2 12 and G remaining is G 7 by 2 10. G 7 by 2. Yes, up to here any problem? Nuclear J3 by 2 have lower energy as compared to the J1 by 2 because delta is negative. 1 by 2 have more energy as compared to the 3 by 2 in nuclear. In EMS, J3 by 2 have more energy as compared to the 1 by 2. Next. Always memorize this series SP, D, suppose they ask question on find out the spin parity. Find out the spin parity. Suppose we can take the oxygen or hydrogen 1H1. 1H1 means here Z is equal to how much? Z is equal to 1 means electron 1. Electron 1. Configuration 1s1. 1s1 means here cell contain 1 electron. This cell contain 1 electron. 1 electron is L 0. S value 1 by 2. Then J is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Then how to find out the ground state spectral term? 2s plus 1 L J. S is equal to 1 by 2 means 2. L is equal to 0 means S. J is equal to 1 by 2. This is the ground state spectral term of hydrogen atom. This is the ground state spectral term of hydrogen atom. In AMS they ask what is the ground state spectral term? Ground state spectral term. Okay, this is equal to how much? Suppose like a 2s 1 by 2. 2s 1 by 2. This is like a ground state energy. Okay, in atomic. In nuclear, they ask what is the spin parity in ground state. Find out the spin parity. 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 Suppose they are given, suppose hydrogen. Hydrogen 1H1. 1H1 means here how many number of protons and neutrons? Nuclear, we can study the proton and neutron. 1H1 proton. P is equal to number of protons. One H1 number of protons. One number of neutrons. 0 neutron 0. Means we can write down the contribution or configuration for odd number of proton or odd number of neutron. In this case, which one is odd? Proton is odd or neutron is odd? Proton is odd. Write down the configuration for proton. Configuration for proton. Okay. One proton. How to write down the proton in S cell, P cell, D cell? S cell. Starting is S cell. Means 1s 1 by 2. 1s 1 by 2. Okay. How many protons are there? One proton is there. Write down. 1s 1 by 2. 1s 1 by 2. Okay. Means whatever the result given from this cell, given from unpaired cell, 1s 1 by 2 is an unpaired cell. In this case over here 1 by 2 is nothing but j value, means j is equal to 1 by 2. J is equal to 1 by 2. Yes cell L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0. Finding the parity. Phi is equal to minus 1 raised to L is equal to how much? Minus 1 raised to 0. Minus 1 raised to 0 is equal to plus 1. Plus 1 means parity is even odd. Pi is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Plus, we're getting minus 1. Parity is odd. Parity odd. We're getting plus 1. Parity is even. Parity is even. SL parity even. SL parity is even. See here. 1H1, 1S 1 by 2. J is equal to 1 by 2 and SL parity pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 0 is equal to how much? Plus 1. Means this is even. Means here write down the J pi. J pi is equal to S. What is the value of J? J is 1 by 2. Parity is even, write down the plus. Parity is odd, write down the minus. Write down the minus. Got it? Next. Suppose we can take the helium 2He, 2He4, 2He4. 2He4 proton is equal to 2. Neutron is equal to 2. Okay? Both are even. Both are even means both are paired. Both are paired. Result will be cancelled. Result will be cancelled. Write down the J pi is equal to directly 0 plus. Okay, suppose we can find out the parity for proton. Proton 1SL means 1s 1 by 2. 2. Yes or no? Means 1 in up direction, 1 in a down direction. Up down. Result. Net result is equal to how much? 0. Always memorize. Even number of proton and even number of electrons. Sorry, even number of proton and even number of neutron. Even number of neutron. Directly we can write down parity J pi is equal to how much? 0 plus. J pi is equal to 0 plus. Okay. Next, suppose 8O16. Here proton 8, neutron 8. Even. J pi is equal to 0 plus. 20Ca40. 20Ca40. J pi is equal to 0 plus. 12 mg 24 J pi is equal to 0 plus. No need to solve this one. Okay. Next, lithium 3Li7. 3Li7. Proton is equal to 3. Neutron is equal to 4. Means this result 0. This result is equal to how much? 0. Whatever the result arise because of unpaired. In this way, which one is unpaired? Proton is unpaired. Write down the configuration for proton. Three Li 7. Okay. Proton 3, neutron 4. Proton 3, neutron 4. Neutron is paired. Paired. Result 0. Whatever the result arise because of proton. Proton 3. Write down the configuration. 1s 1 by 2. In ES cell we can place how many protons? 2 protons. What is the remaining protons? 1 proton is remaining. Means 1p. म्हणजे आपल्याला p cell मध्ये जावं लागेल. p 3 by 2. 2 is over. What is the remaining? 1 is remaining. Let's here 1. Okay. Then what is the value of J? J is equal to 3 by 2. And p cell. P cell L is equal to how much? 1. L is equal to 1. L is equal to 1. Pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 1. Minus 1 raised to 1. Minus 1. Means parity is odd. Minus 1 means parity is odd. Means J pi is equal to, what is the value of J? J is equal to 3 by 2. Parity is odd. Odd write down minus. Odd write down minus. Next. 4Be 9. 4Be 9 means proton is equal to 4. Neutron is equal to 5. Means write down the configuration for odd number. Write down the configuration for odd number. N is equal to 5. 1s 1 by 2. 2. 1p 3 by 2. 1p 3 by 2. Maximum we can place 4. But here available is 3. Means we can write down 3 here only. 4 ठेवता येतील पण आपल्याला 3 अवेलेबल आहेत म्हणून आपण किती ठेवतोय 3 ठेवतोय लक्षात येतंय 1p 3. This will be complete result 0. Okay, this will be unpaired. This is unpaired. What is the value of J? J is equal to 3 by 2. J is equal to 3 by 2. P cell L is equal to 1. L is equal to 1. Parity pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1. Means J pi is equal to minus 3 by 2. Parity or minus. लक्षात येते. Next 4B. Next 5B11. 5B11 means proton is equal to 5. Neutron is equal to 6. Neutron is 6. Result 0. This problem arises because of 5. Whatever the result because of odd number. Odd is a 5. Means 1s 1 by 2. 2. 1p 3 by 2. We can place how many number of protons here? 3 protons. 3 protons. J is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. P cell L is equal to how much? 1. L is equal to 1. Pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 is equal to minus 1. Means J pi is equal to 3 by 2 minus. Means 5Be11. 5B11. J pi is equal to how much? 3 by 2 minus. Next 6C12. J pi. 6C12 J pi. 6C12 J pi. Proton is equal to 6. Neutron is equal to 6. Proton 6, neutron 6. How much? 0. Why this is equal to 0? Because even nuclei, J pi is equal to, always memorize 0 plus. Next, 16, proton 6, neutron 7. Which one is odd in this case? Neutron is odd. Write down the configuration for odd number. 7, 1s, 1 by 2, 2. 1p, 3 by 2. Maximum we can place 4. 4 plus 2, 6. What is the remaining? Sorry. Okay. 4 plus 2, 6. What is the remaining? 1. Place on next cell. 1 by 2, 1. 1 by 2, 1. Okay. You see this case, which one is important? This one is important. Cancel this one. Focus on this one only. 1p, 1 by 2, 1. What is the J value here? J is equal to 1 by 2. P cell, L is equal to 1. Then parity, pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 odd means J pi is equal to, what is the value of J? J is equal to 1 by 2. What is the parity? Minus 1. J pi is equal to this one. Seven and 15. 7 and 15. 7 and 15. Proton 7. Neutron. Proton 7. Neutron 8. Neutron 8. Even number. Even number cancel. Focus on odd number. 1s 1 by 2. 1s 1 by 2. What is the sequence? Always memorize sequence. Huh? What is the sequence? SP, D, F. SP, D, SP, F. S, P, D, S, F, P, G, D, S, H, F, P, I, Z. Mixing, no mixing. Two is over. Total 7. Next 1p 3 by 2. 1p 3 by 2. 3 by 2 4. What is the remaining? 1 is remaining. Means 1p 1 by 2. Dukevarti 1. Okay. This is pair. Cancel. This is pair. Cancel. Focus on this one. J is equal to 1 by 2. L is equal to 1. Means J pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 1. Minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1. Means J pi is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus. Next. 8016. 8016. J is equal to 0. 8017. Proton 8. Cancel. Neutron 9. Neutron 9. Write down configuration. 1s 1 by 2. 1s 1 by 2. Next 1p 3 by 2. 4. 1p 1 by 2. Total 2 plus 4. 6 plus 2. 8. What is the remaining? Remaining 1. 1 is remaining. 1 going in which cell? D cell 1D 5 by 2. 1D 5 by 2. Bracket S to 1. Okay, this cancel, this cancel, this cancel. Focus on this one. D 5 by 2. D 5 by 2. Means J is equal to 5 by 2. L is equal to 2. L is equal to 2 means parity pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to how much? Plus 1. Means J pi is equal to how much? 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus. Got it? J pi is equal to how much? 5 by 2 plus. Nine eight 17. Proton 9. Neutron 8. focus on proton only. Proton 9. Proton 9. 1s 1 by 2. 2. 1p 1p 3 by 2. 4. 1p 1 by 2. 2. 1d 5 by 2. 1. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 1 9. Okay. 9. D cell. Focus on this one. Cancel this. Focus on last. 1D. 1D 5 by 2. 1D 5 by 2. Okay. D cell. D. L is equal to 2. Parity. Pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to how much? Plus 1. And J is equal to how much? J is equal to 5 by 2. Means J pi is equal to 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus. Okay. Next, suppose 19k. 19k, suppose 40. 39. 39. Okay, proton is equal to 19. Neutron is equal to how much? 20. Yes or no? Even number. Cancel. Focus on odd number. Odd number 19. 1s 1 by 2. 1s 1 by 2. Next 1p 3 by 2 4. Next 1p 1 by 2 2. How many over? 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 8 over. What is the remaining? 11. Next we can take the D cell. 1D 5 by 2. 1D 5 by 2 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. What is the remaining? 5. Next we can take the D. D half over. Next mixing. 2p 3 by 2. 2p 3 by 2 4. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. Next second cell of the D. 1D 3 by 2 1. Total 19 over 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 6 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 1 19. Only focus on last cell. 1D 5 by sorry or 2D 5 by 2. 1D 5 by 2. L is equal to 2. I is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 is how much? Plus 1. Means parity is even. And J is equal to how much? 5 by 2. Then J pi is equal to how much? 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus. Got it? Next. Seventeen Cl35. 17 Cl35. Neutron 18. 17 means 2 plus 4 6. 4. Next 1p 1 by 2. 1p 1 by 2 2. Next 1d 5 by 2. 1d 5 by 2 6. And 2p 3 by 2. 2p 3 by 2. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 3 17. 14 plus 3 17. Means which one is important here? This 2p 3 by 2 is important. This p 3 by 2. What is the value of j? J is equal to 3 by 2. What is the value of p? P L is equal to 1. Means j pi is equal to 3 by 2. L is equal to 1. Means minus or parity. Means j pi is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus. Yes, any doubt? काय नाही लक्षात आलं या केसमध्ये? No doubt? Right, solve this example. 11Na23, 12Mg25, 13Al 27, 14Si 28, 15S 33, find out fast. चलो पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. Answer. 11 Na 23. Yes, what is the answer? 11 Na 23. 11 Na 23 means their proton is equal to how much? Proton is equal to 11. Neutron is equal to how much? 12. Means write down the configuration for 11. 1s 1 by 2, 2, 1p 3 by 2, 4, 1p 1 by 2, 2, total 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, remaining 1d 5 by 2, 1d 5 by 2, 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, means write down here 3, means d 5 by 2 is important, d 5 by 2, g is equal to 5 by 2, and l is equal to how much? 2, then pi is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 is a plus 1, means j is equal to 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 plus. Next 12 mg 25, proton 12, neutron 13. Write on the configuration for neutron. This is for proton. 1s 1 by 2, 2, 1p 3 by 2, 4, 2 plus 4 6, 1p 1 by 2, 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8. What is the remaining? 5. 1d 5 by 2, 5, d 5 by 2, d 5 by 2, d 5 by 2 means g is equal to 5 by 2, l is equal to 2, means here also we getting same answer. Same answer 5 by 2 plus. Next alluvium P 30 N 40, N 40 means write down the configuration for proton. 1s 1 by 2, 2, 1p 3 by 2, 4, 1p 1 by 2, 2. Here we need to write down the configuration up to 13, but here we are getting 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, means what is the remaining? 5. Write down 1d 5 by 2, 5, d 5 by 2, l is equal to j 5 by 2, 5 by 2 plus. Got it? 14 Si 28, proton 14, neutron 14, even nuclide. J pi is equal to simply 0 plus. Even directly we get another 0 plus. Okay. Next 15 p 33, proton 15, neutron 18. Means write down the configuration for proton. 15. 1s 1 by 2, 2. 1p 3 by 2, 4. 1p 1 by 2, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Next. 1d 5 by 2. Maximum we can place 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. This one is remaining. But here is a mixing. Mixing. P 2p 3 by 2. 1. Check it. This is equal to 15 or not. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Means here P 3 by 2 is important. Means J is equal to 3 by 2 and L is equal to 1. J is equal to 3 by 2 and L is equal to 1. J pi. 3 by 2 minus P in parity of this is equal to next. Proton is equal to 16. Proton 16. Neutron 33. 33 means this is equal to how much? Neutron is equal to 70. You see this case, which one is odd? Neutron is odd. 1s 1 by 2, 2. 1p 3 by 2, 4. 1p 1 by 2, 2. 1d 5 by 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 10, 12, 14 plus 3, 17. Means P 3 by 2 is important here. P 3 by 2 means J is equal to 3 by 2. L is equal to 1 means J pi is equal to 3 by 2 minus 17 Cl 34 means a proton 70. 70 same 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus. Next we can take the example of or. 7 in 14 means proton is equal to 7. At that time we can write the configuration for both proton as well as neutron. Proton 1s 1 by 2, 2. 1p 3 by 2, 4. 1p 1 by 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. In this case, 1p or p 1 by 2 is important. J is equal to 1 by 2. L is equal to 1. J is equal to 1 by 2. L is equal to how much? 1. Yes, J is equal to 1 by 2, L is equal to 1. And for neutron, N is equal to 7. 1s 1 by 2, 2. 1p 3 by 2, 4. 1p 1 by 2, 1. Okay. P 1 by 2. J is equal to 1 by 2. L is equal to 1. Here we can see this is a 1, this is also 1. Here we can see the 2, this also considered as a 2. Now, How to find out the parity here? Parity phi is equal to general minus 1 raised to L. But here is the L1 and L2. Then write down minus 1 raised to L1 plus L2. L1 1, L2 1. And this is equal to how much? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Parity even odd. Plus 1 even parity. Even parity. And this is equal to how much? Plus. And how to find out the J value? How to find out the J value? Okay. J, how to write on the J? Suppose L1 plus L2 plus J1 plus J2. Total addition is even or odd? J1 plus J2 plus L1 plus L2. This addition is odd. Addition is even. Addition is even. Okay. We can take J is equal to J1 minus J2 or J1 plus J2. One case we can take addition plus, one times we can take minus. Or we can take J1 minus J2. Or J1 minus J2 or J1 plus J2. You think like that, J1 minus J2 or J1 plus J2. Addition is odd, J1 minus J2 or J1 plus J2. Yes, bola. Which one is a 2p 3 by 2? Don't worry about that. Here we can write down 1 or 2. Generally we can take first time we can the one p, then we can write down the 1. Sequence is important, that's it. Don't worry about that. This is the first P, second P, third P. Okay. Once we memorize this sequence, sometimes we can miss this one number or two number. Addition is odd. Addition is odd. Then write down addition is odd. Addition is odd. Write down J is equal to J1 plus J2. J1 plus J2. Addition is even. Write down J is equal to J1 minus J2. J1 minus J2. This rule is known as a Northian rule. Here J1 1 by 2, J2 1 by 2, L1 1, L2 1. Then net addition 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 3. Addition is odd even. Addition is odd. Addition odd. J is equal to J1 plus. What is the J1? J1 is 1 by 2. J2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 1. Then J pi is equal to 1 raised to parity. Parity is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is even. Parity is equal to. जर सगळ्यात अवघड एक्झाम्पल या केसवरती विचारलं तर ते असेल ऑर ऑडचं, लक्षात ठेवा. सगळ्यात जर डिफिकल्ट विचारलं तर जे पाई इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस लाईक दॅट मीन्स ऑर केस इज अ डिफिकल्ट वन. असं सगळ्यात सिंपल जर विचारलं तर सिम्पली 0 प्लस इवन न्यूक्लियाय डायरेक्टली 0 प्लस इवन न्यूक्लियाय 0 प्लस. एखादा एक्झाम्पल सांगा तुम्ही. सगळ्यांनी एक एक एक्झाम्पल सांगा, कोणताही आयटम सांगा. चला पटपट. फास्ट कमिट करा. बोला पटपट एक एक एक्झाम्पल सांगा. हा लास्ट एक्झाम्पल मध्ये J1 मायनस J2 आपण काय सांगितलं? ऍडिशन इज इक्वल टू ऑड. ऍडिशन ऑड J1 प्लस J2. ऍडिशन ऑड J1 प्लस J2. ऍडिशन इवन J1 मायनस J2. हियर ऍडिशन इज 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1. Total addition is odd. Odd. J1 plus J2. सगळ्यांनी एक एक एक्झाम्पल सांगा. बोला पटपट. I audible? एखादा एक्झाम्पल सांगा. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Uh, 21 SC 45. 21 SC 45. Solve this one. 21 SC 45. Spuds SP. S is mixing with D, not a P is mixed. Okay. Six, 8. Yes, any doubt? तर आपल्याला डी मध्ये एस मिक्स करावं लागेल. आपण पी मिक्स केली. $82 EB 209. 82 EB 209. Proton 82. Neutron 'Neutron how much? Proton is 82, neutron 127. 127. Okay. Yes. 1s 1 by 2 2. 1p 3 by 2 4. 1p 1 by 2 2. 1d 5 by 2 6. 2s 1 by 2 2. 1d 3 by 2 4. 1f 9 by 2 10. 2p 3 by 2 4. Next f 9 by 2 or next 7 by 2 8. And what is the p remaining? P remaining is 1 by 2. 2p 1 by 2 2. Okay. Then this is equal to how much? 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 2 8 8 plus 6 14 plus 2 18 18 plus 20 30 34 40 42. Okay, next. नेक्स्ट सेल कोणती येईल मग आपल्याकडे आता? पी जी एफ 7 by 2 5 by 2 7 by 2 8 7 by 2 8. Okay, 5 by 2 6. Purse if peg dish of spots if peg dish of pig. लक्षात येत आहे? Up to p or next g 9 by 2 10. G 7 by 2 7 by 2, 8. Next, D, 5 by 2, 6. D, 3 by 2, 4. Next, yes, 3s, 1 by 2, 2. Next, H, H, 9 by 2, 11 by 2. H, 11 by 2, 12. H, 9 by 2, 10. 9 by 2, 10. Going up to 127. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 28. 32. 32, 38, 40, 50, 58, 58, 6, 64, 68, 70. H also over. Next, F. F, 7 by 2, 8. F, 5 by 2, 6. 5 by 2, 6. Next, P, 3 by 2, 4. P, 1 by 2, 2. Next, I, 13 by 2, 14. Mixing, G, 9 by 2. How much? 9 by 2. Raised to how much? I think up to here 127 is completed. What is the G? 9 by 2 raised to? G 9 by 2. G 9 by 2. L is equal to S, P, D, F, G. G, L is equal to 4. J is equal to 9 by 2. J is equal to how much? 9 by 2. Then parity, phi is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to how much? Plus 1. Means J pi is equal to, this is equal to plus 9 by 2. 9 by 2 plus J pi is equal to how much? 9 by 2 plus. Hmm. 27 for CO. In this case, any doubt? बोला या केस मध्ये काय अडचण? Next, 27 CO, 27 CO, 60. Proton, 27. Neutron, 60 minus 23, 33. 33. Write down the configuration for proton. Proton 27. 27, yes. 1 S, 1 by 2, 2. Next, 1P, 3 by 2, 4. 1P, 1 by 2, 2. 1D, 5 by 2, 6. 2S, 1 by 2, 2. 1b 3 by 2 4. Okay, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 4 20. Next, if f 1f 7 by 2, 7 by 2 20 plus, okay, write down here 7, 1f 7 by 2, 1f 7 by 2, f 7 by 2, f 7 by 2, L is equal to 3, J is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, here is a odd or combinations, odd or using Northian rule. Nitrogen 30, N neutron 33, 33, 1s 1 by 2, 2, 1p 3 by 2, 4, 1p 1 by 2, 2, 1d 5 by 2, 6, 2s 1 by 2, 2, 1d 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 4, max 1f 7 by 2, 7 by 2 8, 7 by 2 8. Next, which one is mix? Spurs. Spurs. If big dish of pig, yes or no? S is mixed with this one, P is mixed with F, P is mixed with F, 1F 7 by 2 8, P is mixing, P lower energy 3 by 2 4, 6 8 14 16 40, 20 28 28 32, 32, 1F 5 by 2, 1F 5 by 2, 32 plus 1 means F 5 by 2, F 5 by 2, L is equal to 3, F is equal to 5 by 2, F is equal to 5 by 2. Addition of all, L1 plus L2 plus J1 plus J2 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Yes. Addition, even odd. Addition, even odd. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 12, 12 upon 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Addition is even. Addition even. J1 minus J2, J1 plus J2. Or J is equal to J1 minus J2 plus even J1 minus J2. Here we are getting even J1 minus J2. Seven by 2 minus 5 by 2. 7 minus 5, 2, 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 is equal to how much? 1. J is equal to 1. And parity pi is equal to minus 1 dash to L1, L2. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 1 dash to 6 is a plus 1. Plus 1 means J parity is equal to how much? For difficult range, they ask like 27 CO60. जर odd विचारलं तर this is a difficult problem. Next, collective model. Next, collective model. Collective model. Collective model. Cell model is based on the assumptions of existence of collective model. Collective model. Cell model is based on assumptions of existence of spherical symmetric potential in the nucleus. Yes or no? Cell model, they are given potential V of R is equal to 1 half kr square. Yes or no? Potential is equal to how much? 1 half kr square. And take the mere axon correction L bar dot S bar in this case. Yes or no? In the nucleus, plus sign plus spin orbit interaction. Yes or no? In cell model is based on assumptions of existence of a spherical symmetric potential in the nucleus plus spin orbit interaction. But J. Raynaudter introduced the idea of deformation in the shape of the nucleus core, due to motion of unpaired nucleon outside the core in odd a nucleus. Here nucleus is a irrotational plus e vibrational motion. Irrotational plus e vibrational. Okay. We know that rotational kinetic energy. Rotational. This is the nucleus. Okay. Irrotational. Irrotational is equal. Sorry. E total is equal to how much? E nucleus is equal to irrotational plus E nucleus is equal to E rotational plus E vibrational. E rotational plus E vibrational. This is nucleus plus. This is deformed into like that. Plus in this shape. Okay. Plus. This E nucleus is equal to E rotational. E nucleus is equal to E rotational plus E vibrational. E rotational plus E vibrational. We know that rotational energy h cross square upon 2i. H cross square upon 2i. H cross square upon 2i, j into j plus 1. Yes or no? J into j plus 1. H cross square upon 2i, j into j plus 1. Okay. This is a rotational energy. And vibrational plus E vibrational. E vibrational. V vibrational is equal to nu plus 1 by 2. nu plus 1 by 2 h cross omega, h cross omega. Okay. Here always memorize j pi value is equal to 0 plus comma 2 plus comma 4 plus comma 6 plus comma 8 plus and so on. Even number of j value are allowed in this case. Okay. Even number of j value are allowed. Means here ground state j value. Ground state j value 0. First excited j value 2. Second excited j is equal to 4. Third excited j is equal to 6. Fourth excited j is equal to 8 and so on. Always memorize. Ground state ground state j is equal to 0. First excited state j is equal to 1. Second excited j is equal to 2. Third excited state j is equal to ground state j is equal to 0. First excited j is equal to 2. Second excited j is equal to 4. Third excited j is equal to 6. Yes or no? Means even number are allowed. 0, 2, 4, 6. Yes or no? Ground state j 0. First excited j 2. Second excited j is equal to 4. Third excited j is equal to 6 and so on. Okay. Now problem. This all need 5 marks per row. See here. Problem is given. Number 1 problem. Suppose they are given W182. W182 is a 2 plus and energy 0.1 mega electron volt. 0.1 mega electron volt. 0.1 mega electron volt above the ground state. Find the energy of 4 plus, 6 plus state. 4 plus, 6 plus state. It's on W182. W182 is a 2 plus and energy is equal to how much? 0.1 mega electron volt. 0.1 mega electron volt. Find the energy of 4 plus and 6 plus state. 4 plus and 6 plus state. Always memorize given data using for finding the h cross square upon 2i value. Okay. System is rotational. E rotational is equal to yes, h cross square upon 2i j into j plus 1. J into j plus 1. Okay. What is the given data? Given j is equal to how much? 2 plus. At that time energy E1 is equal to how much? 0.1 MeV. Got it? J1 suppose E1. Find out for 2 plus and 6 plus. We know that E is equal to h cross square upon 2i j into j plus 1. J into j plus 1. What is the energy? Energy is 0.1 mega electron volt. 0.1 mega electron volt is equal to h cross square upon 2i. H cross square upon 2i. They are given 0.1 mega electron volt energy for j is equal to 2 plus. Means j is equal to how much here? 2. J is equal to 2. Means this is equal to how much? 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay. Now then this is equal to how much? H cross square upon 2i. H cross square upon 2i is equal to how much? 0.1 upon 2 into 2 plus 1, 6. 0.1 upon 6. Means what is the value of this constant? H cross square upon 2i constant. H cross square upon 2i is equal to 0.1 upon 6. Got it? Next. H cross square upon 2i is equal to 0.1 upon 6. Now we can find out what is the energy for E for 2 plus. E for 2 plus. Got it? Means what is the value of J? J is equal to 2. J is equal to 2. Sorry. That's what is the energy for 4 plus and 6 plus. 4 plus and 6 plus. 4 plus means J is equal to 4. J is equal to 4. Then E4 is equal to how much? h cross square upon 2i, h cross square upon 2i, j into j plus 1, j into j plus 1 is equal to how much? H cross square upon 2i, 4 into 4 plus 1, h cross square upon 2i, 4 into 4 plus 1. Then E4 is equal to, yes, what is the h cross square upon 2i value? H cross square upon 2i value is equal to 0.1 upon 6 into 4 into 4 plus 1, 5, 5 into 4, 20, okay, 23, 2, okay, or 3, 10, okay. This is equal to how much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 0.33 mega electron volt. 0.33 mega electron volt. This is a for 2, 4. And what is the energy for E6? E6, J is equal to how much? 6. Then E6 is equal to H cross square upon 2i, 6 into 6 plus 1. 6 into 6 plus 1. What is the H cross square upon 2i value? H cross square upon 2i value is equal to 0.1 upon 6 into 6 into 6 plus 1. 7 into 6, 42. 42. This is 7. This is equal to how much? 0.7 mega electron volt. 0.7 mega electron volt. Got it? Yes. Any doubt in this case? Next energy. Next energy, J pi is equal to J pi is equal to 2 plus, and energy is equal to 93 kilo energy, 93 kV, 93 keV. Okay, 93 kilo electron volt. Find the next excited state energy. Find the next excited state energy. Okay. Next excited state energy. Find the next excited state energy. Okay. J pi is equal to 2 plus. Next excited state means what is the value of J? Next excited, J is equal to next excited, J is equal to yes, bola. What is the value of J? Next excited, J value. And this next is equal to how much? 4 plus. Good. 4 plus E is equal to h cross square upon 2I j into j plus 1. 4 plus j value 4 and given data is how much? 93 is equal to h cross square upon 2I j, for this case 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1, 6 means h cross square upon 2I value is equal to how much? 93 upon 6. Always memorize whatever the given data, use for finding the h cross square upon 2I value. Okay, means h cross square upon 2I is equal to 93 upon 6. 93 upon 6. And they ask what is the energy for J is equal to 4. What is the value of E for? J is equal to 4. Then E4 is equal to h cross square upon 2I into 4 into 4 plus 1. 93 upon 6 into 20. 3. 10. 3. 10. 1, 3, 1 into 10. 3, 1 into 10 is equal to how much? 310 kilo electron volt. Why we can write down here kilo electron volt? But because given data also in the form of kilo electron volt. Means E4 is equal to 310 kilo electron volt. Okay, next. Yes, any doubt in this case? Next problem. In nuclear cell model, J pi is equal to, in nuclear cell model, J pi is equal to J pi r 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dash dash, so on. Okay, and the corresponding energy and the corresponding energy and the corresponding energy and the corresponding energy 0, 4 kilo electron volt dash 500 kilo electron volt dash 500 kilo electron volt. If the transition take place, if the transition take place, if the transition take place from 12 plus 2 from 12 plus 2 10 plus 12 plus 2 10 plus, find the energy of emitted, find the energy of emitted, energy of emitted, find the energy of emitted. E2 given data used for finding the h cross square upon 2I value. Yes or no? H cross square upon 2I value. Given data 0, 0. Don't worry about that. Focus on 2 plus 4. Is 4 is equal to how much? H cross square upon 2I. What is the value of J at that time? 2. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1, 6. Means H cross square upon 2I is equal to how much? This is equal to 4 by 6. Always memorize whatever the given data, use for finding the h cross square upon 2I value. Once you getting the h cross square upon 2I value, find out the E10 and E12. E10 h cross square upon 2I 10 means 10 into 10 plus 1. And this is equal to how much? 10 into 10 plus 1. 11. 11 into 10. H cross square upon 2I. 11 into 10. 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, and E12 is equal to how much? H cross square upon 2i 12 into 12 plus 1. This is equal to how much? H cross square upon 2i 12 into 13. 12 into 13. 12 into 13. 12 into 13. H cross square upon 2i 156. 156. Means we are getting E10. E10 is equal to H cross square upon 2i 110. E12 H cross square upon 2i 156. Means we are getting E10 and E12 value. Our aim to find out the delta E, emission of energy. Emission of energy. How to find out the emission of energy? E12 minus delta E. Emission of energy delta E is equal to E12 minus E10. E12 minus E10. E12 H cross square upon 2i 156 minus H cross square upon 2i 110. Okay, this is equal to how much? H cross square upon 2i 156 minus 110. H cross square upon 2i is how much? 4 by 6. This is equal to how much? 4 by 6 into 156 minus 1 3 2 energy in which unit? Kilo electron volt. I mean this is equal to how much? 31 keV. How much amount of energy is emission in this case? 31 keV amount of energy is emission in this case. Yes, या केस मध्ये काय नाही लक्षात आलं तुमच्या? Any doubt? थ्री 110 कसं येईल? 310? 46 by 3 15. 15 into 2 30. या केसमध्ये लक्षात आलंय हाऊ टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लेम. Collective model, always memorize J pi is equal to yes 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and so on. Means here J value is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. And what is the rotational energy? E rotational is equal to h cross square upon 2I j into j plus 1. H cross square upon 2I j into j plus 1. And whatever the given data, they are given j value as well as energy value also. And whatever the given data, use for finding h cross square upon 2I value. H cross square upon 2I value. Don't take, suppose here we are getting suppose 0.1. Don't multiply 0.1 into 2 is equal to h cross square I. Always memorize. Write down remaining h cross square upon 2I part as it is. And whatever the remaining part, take on one side, and one side we can take h cross square upon 2I. Means we are getting h cross square upon 2I value is equal to something. And we can take they ask what is the next energy levels. At that time, use this value for finding the energy. Yes, any doubt? Tomorrow we can start alpha decay, beta decay, gamma decay. बरं, काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे याच्यावरती? यस, एनी डाऊट इन द यूट्यूब स्ट्रीमिंग? काय अडचण काय येते यूट्यूब स्ट्रीमिंगला? आता लाईव्ह कोण कोण आहे? लाईव्ह कोण आहे आता सध्या? कोणीच नाही आहे.